Awesome.
Cool.
So the next question is from Phil. On e-commerce sites, is thin content a problem for product pages, or should you work extra content in for the sake of it?
Yeah, so this is a question that anyone that works in SEO and has worked on e-commerce sites gets asked a lot, because if you're an e-commerce site, you might have hundreds, if not thousands of pages, right? And 95% of those are going to be product pages. You have your home page, your content pages, your category, subcategory pages. Then you're going to have all of your product pages. So when Google comes to crawl your site, the majority of what it's going to be crawling is product pages. And it's a big investment to write unique content for each one of those product pages. It is important from an SEO point of view. Right? First off, one of the things that we will say outright is, having worked on a lot of e-commerce sites before, those that perform better than others, especially from a small business point of view, are those with unique content. They've put in the time and effort to write it. Thin content is typically when you've not put any content down, or your content's very short, or potentially even copied from maybe a manufacturer's site. But ultimately it comes down to, content is just one ranking factor, right? You know, there are 200 ranking factors. And you can have thin content and you can rank if all your other ranking factors are doing really well, right? So if you've got great links, you know, you've got your great technical SEO, great reputation and that sort of thing, then you can rank. If you're a small business and you don't have those things going in your favour, then you need to pick up your wins where you can. So making sure that you've got unique content on those product pages is going to give you those wins. So I would advise it. I know it's a pain. You know, maybe just work on your products within your key categories first. You know, just focus on those. But you do want to think, if Google's coming to your website and, you know, 90% of it, which is your product pages, have got thin content, that's going to look poorly. It's going to look poorly across your whole site. So you do want to think about the impact that's having. My recommendation is to try and stagger the amount of products you've got on your website. You know, don't try and have thousands upon thousands straight away, because that is just going to give you just a terrible thin content issue. Maybe put, you know, 100 up and then maybe another 100. You know, so you've got a smaller website, and you can manage those and add unique content to them as you go, rather than put them all live at once and suddenly you've got thousands of pages with no good content, and that is going to really not help your SEO in any way at all. So yeah,
Awesome. No, good answer.
cool. Thank you. Thank you very much.
No worries.